backstage described her as a mix between an angry bear and a hyena.
Quasimodo is the world's ugliest dog!
7 words turned Quasi's world upside down. Her profile. That's what bagged the trophy at the Sonoma Marin Fair, instant worldwide fame, and a flight to New York City. She looks like a young child tried to draw a dog, or maybe a Photoshop mishap.
He looks like a wild dog.
Yeah, that too. But she draws an airport crowd like Kanye and Kim.
I think he's cute in a really weird, stumpy way.
She's cute. A few people recognized us when we got off the plane. A couple of selfies already.
Now listen, I was a judge. I don't like it when the others kiss them. Bad hair, serpentine tongues, paint stripper breath, and more.
Ew.
The skin is terrifying. Terrifying and terrible. Quasi scored huge on natural-born ugliness. Born this way. Missing vertebrae that you as fused together. Her owner, Ginny, works in an animal rescue. Dog was abandoned. Ginny took her in.
Don't worry, I'm recording it for you so you can watch it later.
Like a different type of breed. Kind of like it.
This weekend, the ugly dog in the big city. Staying at...
Although the world's ugliest dog is still cuter than most of the cats I've seen in this world.
Now, everybody thinks that it's a boy. It's a girl. She is Quasimodo, and Dan, I think she knows you're a cat guy. She doesn't like you. She's panting. She doesn't like you. She likes Paula. She likes Sarah.
Yeah, of course she does. So she has short spine syndrome. Virginia, her owner, who's just sitting here in studio as well, a proud mother, said that she came in second place last year.
Okay.
Yeah.
You didn't judge last year, but was it even close?
Unanimous.
It was unanimous.
The crowd was
Unanimity.
roaring her name. It was unanimous. How could you not make this the ugliest dog in the world? And coming through the airport yesterday, everybody is stopping, staring. This is an eye-catchingly ugly dog.
But beautiful.
I see the hyena, though. I do see it a little.
The hyena.
That was like Katya said it was a little bit like a hyena.
And an angry bear.
But
not just a
there's
bear.
nothing angry about this.
The face is beautiful.
A gentle
I
soul.
think you are beautiful.
You're beautiful.
You're beautiful. Little Tasmanian devil. Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Definitely.
Yeah.
All
Dingo,
dogs
little
are
dingo.
Dingo ate my baby? Yeah, that's a Seinfeld reference,
Well,
isn't it?
Quasimodo could